lesson 75 is very similar to a lesson we've already worked. All right. If I had in the denominator, let's put this other one first. You'll remember all I had to do in my second fraction was change two signs, and then I'd have a common denominator, right? If let's make this minus. If this were minus and this were 2x, 3x, I could change this sign and this sign, and I'd have 2x over x minus 2 plus 3x over x minus 2. I could combine my numerators and have 5x over x minus 2. All right, the only difference with this lesson is now I have to factor one of my denominators and switch the signs in the other fraction. All right, so first I want you to know that in the book 75.3, that problem is not correct. So do not look at 75.3 in the book for help because it's worked incorrectly. All right, but look at 75.1 on page 313. And it wants us to add x plus 3 over x squared minus x minus 6 minus 3 over 3 minus x. My first step is to factor this denominator. So I'm going to factor it. It's going to be x. And I look at factors of 6 such that multiplying them I get negative 6, adding them I get negative 1. And it's going to be negative 6, positive 1. Alright? Actually, let's not, that doesn't give me 1, does it? It's going to be negative 3, positive 2. Right? There we go. X minus 3, x plus 2, minus 3 over 3 minus x. Now I have a term that is very close. In fact, all I have to do is change the signs in this one. So then my next step, first what did I do? I factored that one denominator. Second, you're going to change two signs in the other denominator. All right, so I'm going to change, remember, I like this one. I'm always going to change that one, and I'm going to change this one. Okay, so now I have x plus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 2 plus 3 over x minus 3. Now, all I have to do in my second term is multiply by this binomial. All right? So then you're going to multiply to get a common denominator. I'll multiply this by x plus 2 over x plus 2. And I'll have x plus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 2. No equal sign, right? So, should have a common denominator. Distributing by 3. It's going to be 3x plus 6 over x minus 3, x plus 2. Combining my numerators, 1x plus 3x is 4x. 3 plus 6 is 9. And that would be over x minus 3 times x plus 2. All right, so this is only the difference. This is the only difference. I have to factor one denominator. All right, this is for Monday. If you have any questions, give me an email. Shoot me an email.